Are you guys pretty confident that it's foodborne illness? I mean,
based on symptoms, it appears to be so, but that is an excellent, valid question. That's the reason why it's too premature to simply say, yes, it's a foodborne outbreak. It's a suspect foodborne illness outbreak at this moment.
Department of Public Health's Environmental Health Administrator Tom Nadeau says they're focusing on gathering as much information as possible. They have sent out questionnaires to the schools to determine things like the children's ages, symptoms, and the food they consumed in the 48 hours prior to getting sick. They have also begun testing samples of vomit, diarrhea, and of the food itself. Josie O'Mallon is the administrator for the Bureau of Communicable Disease Control.
Some of the samples, food samples, actually have been given over to the civil support team with the National Guard. They're going to do some analysis for us. The other samples are being prepped and will be sent over to the diagnostic laboratory services here locally, and they'll do some culture testing of the food samples, and then whatever is detected, further analysis will actually be done in Hawaii.
After Hawaii, they will be sent to the Food and Drug Administration in San Francisco for even further analysis. Here on Guam, they're only testing for staph bacteria. The samples sent off-island will be tested to find out exactly what toxins may be present. If it is food poisoning, salmonella is not likely to be the culprit.
Currently, we don't know the causative agent. Okay, we're doing the test to determine what that pathogen may be. Based on the information received, based on symptoms, it appears to be an intoxication, meaning that it was caused by a toxin, and toxin that was produced by bacteria because of the short incubation period. Usually vomiting and nausea is associated with intoxication.
Salmonella, on the other hand, takes 24 to 48 hours to manifest symptoms. Meanwhile, Guam's Department of Education has also been working hard to assess the situation. Federal Programs Administrator Ike Santos.
Because of the situation, we immediately activated our state staff, who are nationally certified under the ServSafe Institute, to ensure that the food preparation, the food safety are in fact maintained.
Santos says they were out at the school since 4:30 this morning to observe preparation, transportation, and serving of both breakfast and lunch. He also tells PNC that Southern High School's cafeteria, where the food was cooked and prepared prior to being distributed to the 4 other Southern schools, passed inspection by Public Health today. As for the food preparer Kings, they are on a year-to-year contract that ends during the summer. And while an RFP is already out for next year's contract, Kings is continuing to provide services until the end of their contract.
We don't want to speculate. It could be the food, it could be the water. We don't know until the results of the testing has been concluded.